Welcome back, collectors, to another episode with Kerry Collects. In today's video, we have Upper Deck's newest product. We have two hobby boxes of 2021 Clear Cut Hockey. In this break, we're looking for one premium hard signed card. You can get Hall of Famers out of this. You can get one of ones. You can get red ink, gold ink. Here's a shot of the odds if you guys would like to take a look. But yeah, I think we should just dive right into this. It's pretty high risk, high reward if you hit some of the name players that you're looking for, since it is only one card. I paid, I think, $160 for this box times 2. So I'm really hoping we pull something good here. I guess I should maybe get a decoy. All right. Is that Huberdeau? Alexander Barkov, Young Gun Auto. Wow, that's a hit there. Wow. That is a banger. All right, we got one more box. Looking for one more card. Hopefully we can get some gold ink or something is what I'm hopefully looking forward to. So it kind of fell through. All right. Bowen Byram. Just a base rookie card auto of Bowen Byram. Wow. Two decent pulls. I'm happy with both of those. Bowen Byram, Bowen Byram. All right, well, thank you guys for watching Kerry Collects. It was a short video. If you can give me a thumbs up or subscribe or share my videos, it really goes a long way. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. Bye.